Want a natural way to fight inflammation, infections, and boost immunity, all in one drop? Meet oregano oil. Oregano oil isn't just a kitchen herb, it's one of the most powerful natural remedies out there. It contains carvacrol and thymol, two compounds that kill bacteria, fight viruses, and reduce inflammation. It's great for cold and flu prevention, digestive support, candida and gut balance, and joint inflammation. Just add a few drops, diluted, into water or oil. But don't overdo it. Cycle your use and give your body breaks. Nature gave us some powerful tools, and oregano oil is one of them. Like, share, and comment. What's your favorite natural remedy? Let's grow healthier together.